name is Francie James. I'm from Wettengel Elementary School, and I'm here at the Guam Museum to learn histories.
Hi, my name's Imani and I'm from Wettengel. And today I'm at the Guam Museum learning about history from far back. Hi, my name is Mila Angara. I go to Wettengel Elementary School and I'm here at Guam Museum to learn about the history of Guam.
I enjoy learning our ancestors' history and getting to know the people, getting to know what happened in the past and how to save our environment and write like stories, do art. That's what I really enjoyed today.
I really enjoyed how nice the people were and how they explained it well. 10 out of 10, great. I think it was pretty awesome. Things were cool. You should obviously come and see it because my artwork is 10 out of 10. And also, you get to meet these nice people and the way they explain it is awesome. And my artwork is like about the future because someday in the future, it's gonna be so futuristic, you know? Yeah. So that's all I have to say. Thank you.
Oh man, the kids had fun going through the tour, and they were learning stuff about Guam, the Guam history, and they were asking questions about the museum, and at the end they were able to see the projects that they did last summer.